In this video, I will be showing you how to use the variables inside Scratch. You will learn a lot more things after you watch the video. Now let's get into the video. Number 1. As you can see there, I have game that has a thing called key X. Key X is a 1, 0, or -1. This lets it be a right or left costume or standing still. I use the code to make a running script, which picks what speed I go in, at which side. You can use this one to make it yes or no, or maybe as in the code. Like if you're adding a shop, you can make 1 open and make 0 closed. This can help with enemy fighting too. Number 2. You can use variables to make your speed go up or down as you can. You can see here, they go up and down to the walking, running, and jumping. This means you can make games like platformers and running games. Look at my other videos to learn how to make a jumping game. You can also make a rocket game where the fuel is the variable. Now let's get to the next one. Number 3. Let me show you how to make a variable. Let me show you it. Here am I on iNew Scratch project. First, you need to go and click on the Variables tab and make a variable. You can name it anything you want. You have 3 combos. You can only put on all sprites, or only put on sprite only, which makes you can only use it on one sprite. And you can make it cloud, which makes you be able to make online games, but only on this player only. Now I named it. Can you see it on the side? Now, this is the cloud variable. It makes it that other people can see that variable on the cloud place. Now, I made it for this sprite only variable. It also shows up on the side. Thank you for watching the video. Comment what I should do next. And that's it. Bye.